I'm pleased to meet you. I'd love to please you sometime, if you let me. Girl, if you need me, then you should meet me outside. 'Cause I don't want to say, if I could reach you and try to see through your eyes, would you let me? Just let me show you and get to know you in time. I would make you stay. You're everything that I've been dreaming